The Fabulous Family Store recently organized the Shillong Local Trade Fair at Old Saint Hall, Shillong. The main aim of this fair is to help and support those entrepreneurs who started their own business. Products that are being sold and showcased in this fair are handmade craft, ornaments, homemade food, pickles and other products. Here is a report.
In this Shillong local trade fair, most of the entrepreneurs are local entrepreneurs. Many of them have just started their business. Products that are being showcased and sold in this fair are clothes, ornaments, handicrafts and many others. Speaking to the organizer, Rila Akor Masar, informed that this Shillong local trade fair was started 3 years ago and they organize like this fair twice a month to give an opportunity to the entrepreneur and to showcase their products and sell them.
Mga Rila Akor Masar, ni lang ba ikong nadia iba di uno ja kani Fabulous Family Store ting la adon bati man pa la arsenam tam ting ju ho siking ki fair bringing support ki local entrepreneurs te kalong ka jiya penduk lang ikan.
On the last day of the Shillong local trade fair, DD News talked with some of the local entrepreneurs who are part of this fair. They all expressed their gratitude to the Fabulous Family Store who organized such a fair. They said through this fair they can sell and showcase their products. Speaking to the owners of Trio Store, Badapku Parping Group, said that this is a place where youth who have just started their business can introduce their products to the public and to strengthen their work that they have started.
Ketika dukan kepada Shmit Mai, ketika Trio, di filaban ini buat multi brand clothing. Naduk kijan cuti di brand of hair filaban yo ngasunguru pada ka Fabulous Family Store bakal organize ka program namar ngasungtu ba takini lemba kini ki events ki program ini dan ka kecil ka business private businesses a Shillong mamanta gila sedang manmi ki konsamnar maga asang manbut sab lemba jong ni ka event pada ngila promote kita kan te bon ki breakin one ki tip bad nakto ka business wingi kan ya mate.
This market has caught the eyes of the public and many have come to buy things and take them home. While speaking to one of the customers, she appreciates the organizer who gives an opportunity to the local people to be part of this market and also said that from this market, everything that they want, they can get them and at a reasonable price.
We came here like today itself and it's kind of good. Like we saw a variety of clothes and all. It's good, quite good.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.